Hi everyone, and if you want to know how to set people who can send you messages and requests on Reddit, you've come to the right place. So first of all, you need to go to Reddit, and here you need to go to your account settings. So just simply click on your account icon in the top right corner, and here press on settings. So now you have different options, and you need to choose privacy. And here you can choose who can send you inbox messages. It's over here, so just simply click on it, and you can choose everyone, or you can choose correct people who can send you inbox messages. Also, you can choose who can send you chat requests, and it's three options: everyone, accounts older than 30 days, and nobody. Uh, so that's all. Thank you for watching. Leave a like and subscribe.